Hello, I am Kamaruddin. I am a motivational author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos on YouTube about motivational topics, Urdu English language, Shero Shari and table tennis. Sit squarely, feet placed on the ground. Your back slightly touching the back of chair. Take a few deep breaths. Now, inhale for the count of 5. Hold for the count of 3. Then exhale till your lungs are empty. Continue for some time. Now, inhale love, joy, faith, and hope. Exhale stress, anger, fear. Continue for some time. You will feel relaxed and your senses will respond properly after relaxation. Meditation is easy. Don't complicate it by attaching it with some religion. It keeps body and mind relaxed and disciplined. Observing your body with relaxed awareness is simple meditation. Watch as a third person what's going on in your body. Watch with grace, ease, and lightness whatever you are doing. Be very slow and leisurely in all your actions and motions. To start with, slow down, relax, take a few deep breaths. Relax every part of your body. Inhale slowly, hold and exhale till your lungs are empty. I hope you have understood what I wanted to convey. Here are a few more points. Please continue watching. Now, readjust your lips as if doing cooling meditation. Create sipping sound. It touches back throat and then exhale from mouth. And the difference is that while exhaling from mouth, adjust your lips in such a manner that it becomes a broad smile like this. So how does it go? Relax your body with breathing. Slow breathing relaxes body and mind. Be in your body. Observe your body. Find out what is going on in your body with awareness. Concentrate on every part of your body, relax that part and then proceed further. This way you can relax every part of your body. Observe your body from toes to head. Stop briefly at every part, relax that part, and then you go on proceeding further towards your head. Every activity done with a relaxed awareness is a meditation. Suppose you are going to wash your hand. Walk slowly to the wash basin and walk as if you are doing gratitude walk. Thank God at every step. Walk with effortless ease, slowly. Slowly start washing your hands. Feel the warmth of water. Feel the smoothness of water. Feel the smoothness of soap. Feel everything. And keep your body relaxed. If you wash your hands in this manner, you will have simple meditation. Suppose you are going to start your car. Do not just start it. Sit in your car, close the door, relax, take a few deep breaths. Try to relax every part of your body and then start your car. Now I tell you about cooling meditation. Inhale for the count of 5, hold for the count of 3, then exhale till your lungs are empty. Continue in this manner for some time, and when you are relaxed, readjust your lips in such a manner that you are sipping some liquid. Adjust your lips and inhale in such a manner that air goes inside your mouth and it touches back of your throat, creating cooling sensation. And then exhale from mouth. So this is called cooling meditation. Music meditation is another wonderful simple meditation. It relaxes mind and body. It has profound effect on emotions. Faster music can make you feel more alert and concentrate better. Upbeat music can make you feel more optimistic and positive about life. A slower music can quiet your mind and relax your muscles, making you feel relaxed. It releases stress of the day. Music is effective for relaxation and stress. When your mind wanders, do not worry. It is natural. Gently bring back your attention back to the music. Every time you come back, you are practicing music meditation. Inhale in such a manner that your breath touches the back of your throat, creating cooling sensation. But while exhaling, you should readjust your lips in a broad smile like this. So inhale like this. This is combination of smiling and cooling meditation. Food meditation. Sit at a comfortable dining place. Relax every part of your body and mind. Be aware of the moment. Count your blessings. Express gratitude to God. Don't just start gulping in food. Relax and relish aroma and warmth of food. When food is served, feel the aroma and warmth of the food. Smell it, relish it. Think how it is going to affect the flow of gastric juices. How is it going to give energy to your body for effective functioning? Express gratitude to God, sun, wind, who have given energy for growing up the grain. Be thankful to God. Smell it, put in the mouth, feel the warmth and aroma and smell of the food, and then slowly start chewing. Express thanks to the farmer who has worked in the fields to grow the crop. Also express thanks to the vendor, to the cook who has made food available to you. Thank you for watching this and my other videos. Please click thumbs up, bell icon so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.